Join me as I dive into the surprising connection between America's automotive future and Canada's minerals. Can I uncover the truth behind this crucial relationship? Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. Canada's vast mineral resources have long been a vital component of America's industrial machinery. But the recent shift towards electric vehicles has catapulted this relationship to new heights. As the global automotive industry embarks on a quest for electrification, the United States is increasingly reliant on its northern neighbor to supply the essential minerals needed to power this revolution. But what exactly does this mean for the future of America's automotive industry? The stakes are high, and the implications are far-reaching. As the world's largest economies continue to transition towards cleaner, more sustainable forms of energy, the demand for minerals like lithium, nickel, and cobalt is skyrocketing. These minerals are the backbone of electric vehicle production, and Canada's rich geological deposits have made it an attractive partner for the United States. The question on everyone's mind is, can Canada's mineral resources single-handedly propel America's automotive industry into a new era of innovation and growth? It's a daunting task to say the least, but one that holds immense promise for both countries. As I delve deeper into this complex issue, one thing is clear: the partnership between the United States and Canada is about to get a whole lot more interesting. The world is changing, and the automotive industry is no exception. For decades, fossil fuels have been the lifeblood of the industry, but with climate change and sustainability taking center stage, electric vehicles are rapidly becoming the new norm. This seismic shift has triggered a mad scramble for the minerals needed to power these vehicles, and Canada's vast reserves have put it squarely in the driver's seat. With the global electric vehicle market projected to reach unprecedented heights, the demand for minerals is expected to skyrocket. The United States is bracing itself for a mineral rush like no other, and Canada is poised to reap the benefits. But what does this mean for American manufacturing, job markets, and environmental policies? The writing is on the wall. The United States needs Canada's minerals to stay ahead of the curve, and Canada is more than happy to oblige. But as the stakes continue to rise, one can't help but wonder what the long-term implications of this arrangement will be. In recent months, the partnership between the United States and Canada has taken on a new level of urgency. With the signing of the U.S.-Canada Joint Action Plan on critical minerals, the two nations have pledged to work together to develop a secure and reliable supply chain for these essential minerals. It's a massive undertaking, but one that could have far-reaching implications for the automotive industry. The plan is ambitious, to say the least, with goals to increase mineral exploration, improve supply chain resilience, and promote sustainable mining practices. It's a tall order, but one that could yield significant dividends for both countries. One of the most promising developments to come out of this partnership is the establishment of a critical minerals financing initiative. This program aims to provide funding and support to junior mining companies with a focus on projects that can be brought online quickly. It's a shrewd move, as junior mining companies are often the most agile and innovative players in the industry. By providing them with the necessary resources, the United States and Canada are effectively turbocharging the development of new mineral deposits. Another key aspect of the Joint Action Plan is the commitment to improve supply chain transparency and accountability. This is critical as the mineral supply chain is notoriously opaque, with many actors operating in the shadows. By shedding light on these hidden corners, the United States and Canada can begin to build a more sustainable and responsible mineral supply chain. It's a complex task, to be sure, but one that is essential for the long-term success of the automotive industry. As the partnership between the United States and Canada continues to evolve, it's becoming clear that this is a relationship built to last. With the global electric vehicle market expected to reach unprecedented heights, the demand for minerals is only going to increase. But what does this mean for American manufacturing, job markets, and environmental policies? The answer is complex, and one that will require a nuanced approach. On the one hand, the partnership with Canada has the potential to create thousands of new jobs in the mining and manufacturing sectors. On the other hand, this increased reliance on Canadian minerals raises questions about the long-term sustainability of American manufacturing. As the industry becomes increasingly dependent on foreign mineral supplies, the risk of supply chain disruptions and trade disputes grows. One thing is certain, however: the future of America's automotive industry hangs in the balance. As the world continues to transition towards cleaner, more sustainable forms of energy, the partnership between the United States and Canada will be critical. The United States and Canada have a long history of cooperation on mineral development, And this partnership is a natural next step in that relationship, said Mark Smith, CEO of the National Mining Association. By working together, we can build a more sustainable and responsible mineral supply chain that benefits both our nations. It's clear that the future of the automotive industry is electric, and Canada is poised to play a critical role in supplying the minerals needed to make that future a reality, added Jerry Brown, former governor of California. This partnership is a win-win for both countries, and one that will have far-reaching benefits for the environment and the economy. As I reflect on the complex relationship between America's automotive future and Canada's minerals, one thing is clear. This is a partnership that will have profound implications for both nations. The United States needs Canada's minerals to stay ahead of the curve, and Canada is more than happy to oblige. But as the stakes continue to rise, one can't help but wonder what the long-term implications of this arrangement will be. Will America's reliance on Canadian minerals ultimately benefit or harm the nation's manufacturing sector? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. This is a relationship that is here to stay. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.